Covering an area of 20,764 square kilometers, Wales is the western part of mainland Britain, bordered by the sea on three sides. At its extremes, it is about 250 kilometers north to south and 200 kilometers east to west. Mountains and valleys dominate the landscape with large ranges in the north and south. Snowdonia in the north has the highest peak in England and Wales, Snowdon, at 1,085 meters, and is linked by the Cambrian mountain range to the Brecon Beacons and the Black Mountains in the south. The national parks and 5 areas of outstanding natural beauty cover almost a quarter of the country. There are 1,000 sites of specific scientific interest, over 100 nature reserves, and 6 environmentally sensitive areas. The Pembrokeshire Coast National Park covers much of the coastline of the southwest Wales Peninsula and several offshore islands, such as Scomer, Skockum, Ramsey, and Caldy, which are of international importance for their seabird and seal populations. The park also contains a marine nature reserve, an area dedicated to the conservation and study of marine wildlife. Many of the beaches and marinas in Wales conform to the most stringent European regulations, and Wales is on course to meet its target of achieving 50 blue flag bathing beaches. Wales has more than 400 natural lakes and more than 90 man-made reservoirs, many of which are located in some of the richest scenic areas and are put to a range of uses, from tourism and leisure to the generation of hydroelectricity. The larger rivers, such as the Taff, Typhy, Tywi, Usk, and Clwyd, flow from the central mountain ranges down through the valleys to the coast, and many are popular for angling and water sports. 4/5 of the country is committed to agriculture, while woodland covers another 1/8 of the total. A modern communications and transport network, however, means that rural areas are generally within easy reach of the main towns and cities. Suffering from no major weather extremes, rainfall is plentiful in Wales, just over 1,000 millimeters per year. In the summer, it has an average of nearly 6 hours sunshine, compared to between 1.5 and 2 in winter months. The mean temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. The major population centres of Wales are to be found in the towns and cities of South Wales and the industrialised areas of the northeast, around Wrexham. The population is growing slowly and is expected to reach 3 million by 2011. The natural beauty and resources of Wales are a major draw for tourists and visitors, and make a significant contribution to the quality of life of the population. As global competition in commerce increases, the challenge Wales faces in the future is to maintain the balance between conserving its wilderness, forests, lakes, and rivers as one of the attractions for people to live and locate in Wales, and exploiting these natural resources for tourism, agriculture, and economic development.